Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to find Discord communities. Here are the steps to find Discord communities on Windows PC. First, open Discord app or go to Discord website. Launch the Discord app or visit the Discord website. Log into your Discord account. Make sure to log in with your credentials. Look at the left sidebar. This shows the servers, communities you're already in. Click the Explore Public Servers. Compass icon. It's a compass symbol on the bottom left of the sidebar, just above the plus sign. Browse popular communities. You'll see featured servers like Minecraft, Roblox, study groups, and more. Use the search bar at the top. Type keywords, for example, productivity, crypto, or art to find related communities, then hit enter. Select the server to view more info. Click on the server card to preview it without joining. Click Join Server. If you like the server, click Join in the top corner of the preview. Accept rules if prompted. Some servers will ask you to read and agree to the rules before giving full access, or if none, just go to the Rules channel. Start exploring channels. You're now in the community, but before you start, there is still 10 minutes provided for you before you start the chat. Check out channels and interact. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.